Hey everyone, thank you for stopping in today. I have this like plain gray bag. I know what's inside, but I'm going to share it with you today. Let me take everything out. So, oops, I have my phone. Let's get rid of this bag. Sorry there. I was contacted by a company, and I don't accept everything that I am asked to do in emails, all that stuff. A lot I decline. Some I take, and they might not be like their beauty, lifestyle, things like that, but I still enjoy them, and is something that I think you all would enjoy or could enjoy. And as long as they're fairly priced. Some things, you know, it's like, okay, well, that's kind of expensive. I'll try it, but I don't, you know, I can't guarantee you sales because it's an expensive product. So not like that's with just accepting offers. So a company reached out to me called DIY. No, it is VIP. I thought I was right. VIP cross stitch. And they have cross stitch patterns. You can tell my love for Harry Potter right there. And then I have this cute little product. So they told me to pick out 4 things that I would be interested in. So I said, no problem. I have done these in the past. I have done the regular cross stitch printed pattern, which is what these are. And then the counting cross stitch was completely blank form. And you have to actually count the cross stitches. A little bit more difficult. If you do them often, not, but I don't do them that often any longer, but was very interested in sharing this with you all. I do have the website pulled up so I can share some information with you. Right now, it's like there's lots of things, you know, buy 4, get 1 free, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So how do I get rid of that? I don't know. All right, we'll just click shop. So, I mean, they have tons and tons of sections that you can pick from. I'll just try to bring my phone in there, show you a few of the items that they have. Just depends on what you're interested in. Tabs that they have. Best selling below 99 cents. Okay. Cross stitch accessories. All kinds of other, I mean, they offer tons and tons of options. So I didn't click on that right. Let's go back to that. I was going to get, I'll see if I can click on it and blow it up. I was going to get this one because I love anything Parisian, but I figured that one would be torture just because I haven't done them in a while. And that is still a stamped cross stitch, which is easy, a little bit easier for me, $7. So, I mean, their prices are so good. I will leave all their information down below. You can go take a look. I mean, they have beautiful, like, dogs, cats, florals, ones with sayings. Oh, I mean, tons and tons of variety. This first item that I chose, and I thought I had screenshots, but I have no idea if I do. I might have to put prices up for you. I thought this would be perfect. And I know how to sew. I have all that stuff. But this is what this is. Looks like a lipstick, right? No. Okay, I'm confused. I'm confused. This is supposed to be... This is supposed to be where you can put your needles, and I'm not sure. There's like, I'm going to have to look into this. Is this missing something? Okay, let me look at some screenshots. Let me just go back to their website. I think that was in accessories, if I'm not mistaken. Now, let me see if I can find it again. Like here. Oh, here they are. Lipstick pin cushion retractable sew needle holder, but it doesn't show the inside. Yeah, I'm not sure. So I'll show you. So there it is. This is $4.52. And these are like oil paintings. So you can see that one. The one that I did love, because I have the actual, this is Starry Night. I think that's Van Gogh, if I'm not mistaken. Like tons of stuff. I'm not sure if it's missing something inside. I'm going to have to look into that. Cute, and I figured why I'm working on it. This is something small and compact to like put my needle, and instead of pulling out my regular one, I can keep this with the cross stitch stuff. So I was happy to choose that, and very affordable. I did choose a bookmark as one of my cross stitches, and this is a printed one, the printed cross stitch. Let me see. I will open it and show you the packaging. Oops. Or at least try to show you maybe what comes included in it. So this is the actual packaging. Let me see. I'll show you. You get everything included in your package. So here is all your thread that you need, and it's all just bound up. Good way to keep it. And it is, let's just flip you over then. Oops, flip everybody over. So it gives you, this is everything you need. I mean, it's a little knotted, but by number right there. It is a little twisted at the bottom from shipping, but I'll correct that. But that's a good way to keep your thread so that you can keep everything, you know, together, because it is by number. It does give you the little tassel, which is awesome. And it does come with needles. There are 3 different needles in this bag. Might be hard to see, but there are. And then here's the actual. All right, well, I thought this was a stamped one. Oh, is this a counted one? I thought this was a stamped. Actual size is 5.4 by 18.8. I thought this was a stamped one. And it's not stamped. I thought this was a stamped cross stitch. Okay, maybe that one was not, but I'm going to look that up. I don't know where that one was. I think that was in the affordable. I'm just going to search. Bookmark. I thought that one was supposed to be. These are counted cross stitch. Okay, so it is supposed to be blank. But these are like under $5, to be honest. And then on the back, I'll real fast show you. I just don't want to mess up the needles. Like on the back, it gives you your color code and everything like that. So I'm going to keep this separate so that I don't go messing with that. The next one I got, and this is a stamped. Yes. Right here, so it shows you a picture of it. Awesome. Here, let's get something that is, I forget how these open. Well, you know, just a family, a little bit of crazy, a little bit of loud, and a whole lot of love. That definitely fits my family. Let's take you out of the bag. And let's see. So here's the paper. And then everything should be inside, which it is. So here are all of the, here's all the yarn. I mean, they give you everything you need. All the, you can see the colors all on, you know, your tabs with numbers. And all the, and here's, you know, 2 additional colors up here. So it gives you everything nice and controlled. Needles, there's 2 needles on this one. I'm going to try to show it to you. They're like in the material here. I just don't want to, And then it does give you a pattern to follow. Sometimes these are easy because you can really get in, but this is easy to see. Just don't want the needles to fall out. Very easy to see. That's why I like the printed ones. And you can frame these. It gives you your cross stitch on the side, so you don't have to have that paper with you. But the needles, once again, are right there. There's a bigger one and a smaller one. So it gives you everything you need, which I appreciate, because then I don't have to, one, I could use my own needles. I don't have to, let's get all this. But I love that they do this, and it's all nicely organized. You know, obviously there's less of, you know, this color, these colors, for wherever that falls. More of, like, you can see the one that this is like 1 or 2 threads. This is like 3 or 4. And then some that are super, you know, big, you know. But they give you everything you need. Everything you need. Let's put this back with this to make that one. I'm excited to do that. Let's keep you over there. And the other one I got, obviously, is a Harry Potter one. Love me some Harry Potter. Okay, let's see what you look like. And this is also a printed, a stamped cross stitch, not one that I have to count, because I thought, oops, some of these bigger ones, if I had to count the stitches, that would drive me crazy. I have in the past. So once again, the picture. Okay, let me open this up carefully, because the needles before were in the material. So here, okay, I'm confused. There's all kinds of mess here. Okay, so here's all your everything, which obviously you can see there's a lot of black in this one. Oops. So here's everything on a card, which is keep it on the card. The needles, once again, are in the material. And then this one still gives you, you know, the photo to follow so that you can do this. And then here is the actual cross stitch canvas right here. Nice. It gives you the rows, you know, like it's not difficult to follow. It really is not. And then you just follow the stitch that it tells you to use. And that I saw somewhere. Where did I see that? I just don't want any of the needles to fall out. Let's get all this back in here, because this one's like a lot of yarn. And these I find, for me personally, yeah, this doesn't. One of the other ones gave you the actual stitch. I think it was this one. Let me see. Yeah, so it actually tells you the whole stitch. Not difficult. These are not difficult to do. Some of these are going to be time consuming. Like, you know, these styles are going to be time consuming. The smaller ones are very simple. You can easily do them. But their pricing is what caught my eye, because everything is so cheap. You know, they have large ones that are like for beginners. Let's pick, I don't know. Let's pick this one. It's $4.29. And this is a holiday one. I have a Band-Aid on because I cut my finger yesterday. But look how adorable that is. On the beach, Christmas tree, and that's a larger one. It doesn't give you the actual centimeters, which I wish it would give you the actual, because I hate having to convert centimeters. So that is, I think, 11 by 8 maybe. Christmas tree gift. They have like this scene. I'll show you. This would be beautiful, like in a kitchen. Cute. It would really be pretty hanging anywhere. Look at this one. Look how vibrant those colors are. Awesome. And these are for beginners. These, I'm not picking ones for people that do this all the time. $5. You get everything you need, straight down to the needle. Everything. Now, I know you can get forms and put these in forms and stuff like that. I don't think that's necessary, honestly. But you can get, let's see. they have, I want to show you some of the things they offer, but why can't? Like if you wanted to put, this is to put your needles in, like a cross stitch needle, little tiny pillow, you know, when you're not doing it, to put your needle in there. I mean, they have such cute things. They have storage, they have scissors, tape to tape the edges down. You can get additional, you know, this is what I wanted to show you, an embroidery frame. So as you're working on them, it does make it slightly easier. I've yet to use anything like that to do them. Like I said, I've done these in the past and have had no issues with them. I find them to be, and they have social media, Instagram, and I thought I saw Facebook on there. Find these very relaxing because you have to concentrate. It doesn't, like I don't find my mind is wandering, thinking about all, you know, the things going on in each and every one of our lives. It just forces you to concentrate on what you're doing. If you don't have hand dexterity, these might be kind of difficult, but I think you could still manage if you can hold a needle, just to make your, you know, your stitches. But I do find these, like I said, anything like this, a little bit craftier, very relaxing, rewarding when you complete it. And who cares if it takes you 6 months to do one of these? It doesn't matter. There's no time frame. Nobody says you have to start and be done in 2 days. If you only can spend 15 minutes, you're sitting in your comfy chair or on your comfy couch, and you pull this out and you do it for 10-15 minutes. You're having a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, you know, whatever your beverage of choice is, and you're just sitting and relaxing, and you pull it out and just do it for 10. That's fine. Sometimes I do it in spurts. I don't ever start and have to let me get halfway done or let me get a quarter. No, because then you mess up, you get bored with it, you won't pick it back up. I tend to not put them away so that they're forgotten. I'll just like put them off to the side so that you visually see them. And like I said, if you pick it up 10 minutes here and there, eventually you'll get it done, and you'll be so proud of yourself for completing it and seeing it and like holding it away from you, like propping it up on something and looking at it and go, wow, that's really pretty. Many designs. I mean, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of things to pick from. I think every one of us could find things on there that we love and makes great gifts for people. Just to keep themselves busy, keeps your mind active and going. And I love stuff like this. So I hope you go take a look at their website and see what they have to offer. Very affordable, fast shipping. So you can't go wrong there. And a big thank you to VIP Cross Stitch for contacting me and sending me out a few of your products. I'm excited to start them. I will do the bookmark first because I do need one for my book. I have literally a sticky note that I stick in there so that I know what page I'm on. I don't know where any of my bookmarks are. I'll probably get rid of them or leave them in a book, and then I give the book away so they're gone. So I will keep that one for sure. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Go check them out, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.